Hey everybody, checking out Rome today. I love Rome. I have never been to Rome, but I love to go here. I mean, it seems like the details a little better in the game for Rome. I'm flying pretty low, but still seems pretty alright. I'm gonna do a little flyby around the entire thing. I'm gonna check out the Colosseum as well. Hopefully the Colosseum isn't Rome and I'm not a total dummy. Is that it? That little doo-doo thing it? I don't think so, right? That's gotta be like an arena or something. Let's fly by that arena right there. Then we're gonna look for the Colosseum. Some kind of airfield right there we can land as well. It looks nice. I mean, if you zoom out, Rome looks nice. Look at that. I just wish I knew what all this was. This plane is meh as well. This plane isn't the best. Let's fly past this arena thing. I don't know. What's my airspeed? Alright, that's good. That's good. I can do a bigger descent. Yeah, that's definitely not a Colosseum. That's a modern day Colosseum. Football stadium. Probably with some kind of outfield. That looks nice though. Ooh, pull up. Okay, sure, bro. Ooh, that pulled up a lot though. Hold on, relax, buddy. Why is it pulling up? Ooh, I put the trim to crazy. Okay, well that's good. That was a nice arena. I want to see where the Colosseum's at. I wish it would say that on the map. Well, let's fly over there. There's something over there. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Cool area right there. Alright, in search of the Colosseum, boys. Is that it? It's looking at that weird shaped building? Or what? Can't be it. No, it's something else. That's a nice helipad downstairs. There's gotta be a hospital of some sort. Some kind of church here as well. It is Rome after all. What is that? It's pointing me to something. Not sure what. This does not look like the Colosseum, man. Why are you guys... What is this? Is this even Rome? You know, when you live in Sweden, your cities are like tiny compared to this. Like, what is this? This is insane. I want to see the gladiators. I want to see the blood and the fighting. Where's the map? Where am I even? Okay. I'm right there. Rome is like there. Okay, no. We'll dive down. It's telling me to pull up, but I'm not gonna do it. I want to go see what that is again. Isn't that where we came from? Seems like a church and some kind of a mountain rock in the middle of goddamn town. What is that? I'm still amazed how they could, you know, generate these buildings in the detail that they're at. It's pretty cool. Now let's fly by that and see what that is. I'm pretty sure that is where we were in the beginning. I'm slowing down. Am I not? Or I should slow down a little bit. 74 or something. Come on, man. Okay, that's some kind of church right now. That's nice. Oh, this is where we were. Look at that. The Washington Monument in Rome. I'm kidding, guys. Don't kill me. I'm sure the Colosseum should be here somewhere too. It's huge. Can't be hidden somewhere. Where's this building? It looks pretty cool. Colosseum. Where are you? It wasn't Rome. I remember seeing Gladiator. I remember they talked about the Colosseum. Ooh, that looks nice. What is that? That looks like a House of Parliament or something. Oh, ooh, we found it! We found it, boys! Manually. I'm gonna crash. Ooh, okay. We found it manually. Look at that. Oh no, that's it. Sorry. Look at that. The Colosseum, boys and girls. The Colosseum. We're doing a flyby. Ooh la la. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I gotta. Woo! We're gonna do another flyby. We're gonna look at all the other stuff as we go over. This has got to be some more old stuff, ruins and stuff like that. Okay, we're doing a flyby again while we look at this beautiful scenery over Rome. Look at this. Gorgeous. I want to go right there, and then right here, and then like swim all over this. Okay, I just lost the Colosseum. Pretty sure it was there somewhere. All right, let's go back, circle back. I want to see more stuff though. That's a bridge. That's a bridge. This is like some type of a huge area, military field or whatever. No, it's a train station most probably. Train tracks. Some kind of office. Cool. Somebody probably working here right now. Yo, what's going on, bro? Where is the Colosseum now? Hold on, it was close to the water. Oh god. Did I lose it again? No, it should be right here. There it is. Okay. Now we're gonna do a nice flyby over this Colosseum. Look at that. That is such a nice recreation, I'd say. I'm not gonna crash into the Colosseum. That wouldn't be good. What else can you see in Rome? There's a lot of stuff in Rome. But look at that. Like, look at that itself. It's literally just a wall, but it looks amazing. Okay, I need to speed up a little bit. Look at all this. Some kind of a straw hat building. Another church. It looks good enough, alright? But as soon as you get close to the towns and stuff, you start seeing all this. But it's so tightly built. Like, look at these areas, man. You can barely walk here. What else is there? Ooh, some kind of park. I've got to circle around and see what that is. That looks pretty nice. Some kind of water area here. What is that? Pretty sure a lot of you guys have been here. Funny thing is, we could actually just do this in Google Maps, but this is so much more fun. Feels like I'm actually flying over Rome. Kind of. How's my airspeed? A little low. Where was I? Where was that beautiful area? Is it here? Oh, that's someone's house, probably. Ooh la la. Where did I just miss it? Ah! I think I missed it. So many nice areas here in the park. No, here it is. Oh my god! Okay. Ooh, isn't this it? I think this is it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That looks pretty nice. I don't know what that is, but it looks really nice. Maybe airspeed going down a little too fast. See what else we can see. Colosseum again. I think we went past this huge area here. I want to see the water. Is there water around Rome? No, it's like inland. Ooh, what is that? What is that area? Church stuff. So detailed. Rome is much more detailed than like Swedish cities. That's it. And I think it's streaming live. You see how that pop-in happened right there? So we're actually streaming live. Alright. Now I think we can land here. Ask to land, request full stop landing.
Tower JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra 2 miles south to land. JMB Aviation Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Tower. Enter left downwind runway 16. Altimeter 29.83 wind 231 at tree.
Short.
Enter left traffic runway 16 JMB Aviation X-Ray Golf Sierra.
Good. Okay. full flaps. This tiny weeny little thing because my airspeed is a little low. Gotta start going down a little bit. Hold on. Let's pull up the flaps just so we can descend a little bit. Gain some descent speed, and then we'll put the flaps to max. Gears down. Nose down a little bit. I need to come in more flat. I could kill airspeed a little bit. Ooh, we got a lot of wind today. Kill that. We're gonna stall. Ooh, that's not a good landing.
JMB Aviation X-Ray Golf Sierra, you were not cleared to land. Clear the runway.
What are you talking about? Of course I was. 100% clear to land. This is where I'm stopping, okay? I'm gonna do a little drift onto your grass field here.
JMB Aviation X-Ray Golf Sierra, contact ground on 122.7.
Be quiet, bro. Okay, we're gonna switch off right here. Turn off master switch, avionics off. Go the other way. Heat control,
JMB
fuel.
Aviation X-Ray Golf Sierra, did you hear my last transmission?
Man, why you want to talk so much now? Yes.
122.7 for JMB Aviation X-Ray Golf Sierra.
We have now landed in Rome, guys. And I'm gonna go do whatever Romans do. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.